Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in to the Google Admin Console and verifying your domain so services can run under your address. Next, enable two-step verification for admin accounts to protect access and create essential user groups so permissions are manageable. Once done, assign basic apps like Gmail, Drive, and Calendar to groups. Make sure to set role-based admin privileges rather than broad access so control is scalable and secure as your organization grows. Now configure Drive sharing rules and external sharing limits to balance collaboration and security. Apply folder-level policies for sensitive data. Then adjust Gmail routing, add DKIM and SBF records for deliverability, and enforce retention or legal hold policies where needed. Also enable calendar resource booking and fine-tune Meet settings like recording and joining permissions. Finally, push mobile device management and conditional access. To finish, deploy changes in stages and run short training sessions so users adopt new workflows. Provide playbooks and self-help docs for common tasks. Monitor deployment with audit logs, the Security Center, and alerts to spot misconfigurations quickly. If problems arise, start troubleshooting by verifying DNS and MX records, checking directory sync errors, and confirming permission inheritance on shared drives. If an issue persists, isolate a test account, reproduce the behavior, and apply fixes before broad reapplication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.